Welcome back everyone. In this video, I will explain you about resistor, its working principle and its types and how to find the value of resistor. Before starting this video, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get instant notification. Resistor. It is a passive electrical component providing electrical resistance. It is a two-terminal device. Resistor is commonly used in electrical network and electronic circuits. It is mainly used to reduce current flow, adjust signal levels, biasing the active elements, and also used as a voltage divider. Now I take a simple circuit as an example to tell about resistor. If we connect a normal 9V battery to a 5mm LED that burns out due to excess current and voltage flow, then we connect a resistor with appropriate resistance across the LED that will protect the LED from burnout. Now we look at the resistor symbol. That symbols are widely used to represent the resistor in circuit diagram. Potentiometer. It is also included in resistor family. This symbol is used to represent potentiometer. Then the variable resistor or rheostat. It is represented by this symbol. Then move on to the resistor types. Nowadays, the widely used resistor is classified as two types. The one is through-hole resistor. It is widely used in our electronic project. The another one is surface mount resistor. It is widely used in PCB, that is printed circuit board. The resistance of the through-hole resistor is identified by its color band over its surface. Then the resistance of the SMD resistor is identified by the number which printed on its surface. Sometimes the THD resistors are burns out due to high power dissipation. In clear words, if the high current flows through the resistor that produces enormous amount of heat on its surface, that results in burning. To overcome that situation, the high power resistors are produced that are made by ceramic components that can dissipate many watts of electrical power in the form of heat that can be used as a part of motor controls, test loads for generator and also used in power distribution system. The power resistors are rated according to their maximum power dissipation. Power resistors are physically larger according to its power dissipation. They usually absorb much less than a watt of electrical power and require little attention to their power rating. Now we find the resistor value by the color bands over its surface. I tabled the value for each strips as follows. Then the first two strips on the surface of the resistor represent the first two significant digits of resistance in ohm. The third strip represents the multiplier and the fourth strip represents the tolerance. Now I take a resistance as an example. It shows brown, black, red and golden color band in order. For brown, significant digit 1. Similarly, for black is 0. The third strip put 100 as a multiplier. For fourth golden strip, put 5% as a tolerance. Then the resistance for a given resistor is 1 kilo ohm. Now we move on to the SMD type. The number is printed on surface of the resistor represents the resistance. If 3 digits are printed, the first 2 digits represents the first 2 significant digits of resistance in ohm, and the third digit represents the multiplier to the power of 10. Then the value of resistor is 1 mega ohm. Similarly, if 4 digits are printed on its surface, the first 3 digits represents the first 3 significant digits of resistance in ohm, and the fourth digit represents the power of 10 as a multiplier. Then the value of resistor is 1500 ohm. For this type, R is taken as the decimal point. Then put the all digits and represents the R with the decimal point. That's all guys for today's session. If you like this video, give like and share this video with your friends. And then bye. I will see you in next video.